Okay, this is a box of some eyepieces. Let's open and see. Okay, let's see what we have here. What we have here is books, actually, books about the moon. What we have here, hopefully, is something to help us observe the moon. So, feeder. Oh, what is this? A pack. Another pack. Another pack. Another pack. And the rest of it is nothing, rubbish. Okay, we have 4 packages, 2 large, 2 small. So let's open the large ones. Or should I open from the small ones? Yeah, I'll open the small ones first. This is unboxing of a Konig eyepiece. So let's see what is inside and we see how it looks. Okay, now it's coming out. Ooh. Let me just remove this. Okay, this is a Konig eyepiece, 2mm. Oh, look at the glass. Ooh. 2-inch Japanese University Optics. Oh, 32mm Konig, 2 multi-coated. University Optics was closed in America because practically he wrote in his email what was the reason for that in a letter to everyone, telling that you guys, I know that you are paying a lot of money just for your insurance, health insurance. That's ridiculous amount, and I don't think anybody is left with anything in America for spending their money on hobbies like astronomy. So shut his business. Now look at the quality of the image. You can see through this. Two-inch. And I can see that the coating is kind of, yeah, magenta, kind of reddish dark coating. That is a better quality than the green ones. So I'm really curious now to see how it looks. Let's see how. Oh, look at that field lens. Let me show the field stop. It's in the bottom. Oh, look at the field stop, how sharp it is. Yeah, that's good, that's good. University Optics makes one of the best eyepieces in the industry, so I'm looking forward to use this. I mean, used to make it, Japanese ones. Lovely eyepiece. Looking forward to test it. Okay, this is the University Optics Konig 2 32mm 2-inch barrel size, fully multi-coated eyepiece on a SkyWatcher EDAT f600mm apochromatic or semi-apochromatic eyepiece, so telescope. Let's go and see how it looks, the image. So this is a 32mm University Optic Konig.
There's also food for thought with EU countries locked in debate over a financial recovery package. France and Italy believe there should have been more support for states hit hardest by the crisis. And even more Germans agree than disagree with the idea. Respondents in all
I think the quality of image is astounding. So that's the way the image looked. It's beautiful. I like the image quality. 32mm is really good, wide angle. And I didn't feel that in any corner of it there was a distortion or anything. And the view through the visual eyepiece without any camera or anything was superb. And I think that it showed some of it in the a camera video that I showed you. Based on the memory that I have from eyepieces with 70 degrees and Morpheus which is 76 degrees, I think this eyepiece also has a field of at least above 68 degrees, 70 most probably, or even more. You can see the Comet Neowise. It's just above the tree.
Oh, I see it, yeah, with its tail.
Yeah, you see the tail?
Yeah.
I can see it also in the center of this camera, although it is not very...
Yeah, I see it.
This is the only comet I think people can see from the window of the bedroom. Isn't it exciting? That will not come back until 6,000 years later. The Earth gravity actually is changing its orbit from 4,000 to 6,000 years. And we are in the bedroom. This is our bedroom window. I hope you remember when you wake up again in the morning that you have seen the Comet Neowise. That's the only comet people can see from the window of the bedroom. And God willing, who knows, maybe we will be revived if they don't burn us. Yeah, now it is 6,000. 4,000 was before coming close to Earth. 23rd of the July will be the closest to Earth. People say when the comet comes in that direction of northeast, people will start disobedience. They will not obey their rulers. No, it depends. If you're a law-abiding citizen, yeah. Okay, here, that's the center. Yeah, comet is there. What you see at the center. The smudge which doesn't move. Dead center. And the tail of it is upward. And the star there is Capella, the brightest star which is now at the center. And the actual comet itself is in the north of the Gemini twin, and that means duality of leadership, duality of everything. Also, the direction of northeast shows that the tail of it is from the southeast toward the northeast. Northeast is that direction. So the tail of it is from southwest. That means mighty armies are coming from that direction. If you live in America, that can be in Texas and Louisiana, even Mexico, from that direction toward the northeast, those original 13 states, including Washington, D.C. and New York. This comet has a lot of prophecies in it, according to the ancient Babylonian texts. As I mentioned, the comet is visible, the Comet Neowise is visible from our bedroom window. And I photographed it from our bedroom window also. .8 second, and ISO was, I think, 1600, something like that, or 3200. And these are some of the photos I was able to take from the bedroom. I just put a tripod there and took the picture. This is the head of the comet. The details invisible in this is amazing. And you can see more details when in this video you see it a little bit overexposed, but in the actual photograph they're really nice and visible. Beautiful, beautiful comet. Just from the window of my bedroom, of our bedroom. 6,000 years later, probably we will see this again. And this is the comet again from ISO, a little bit different, and the exposure 1 second. And a little bit more structure in the head and some parts of the tail. And this is the reason the comet Neowise is bright. We have snow, we have ice, we have dust, and all of them reflect the sunlight. This is a typical nucleus of a comet, the hard core at the head.